Let's discover the differences and similarities between these two great phones. Let's get started. Resolution, display type, brightness, screen-to-body ratio, density, refresh rate, support. Let's see the build quality. Display protection, back and frame protection, thickness, weight, resistant. Let's take a look at the operating system and phone updates. This is the performance processor, central processing unit, GPU. Finally, the benchmark. Alright, it's time to check the cameras on the phones. Main cameras of the Samsung Galaxy A54. Main cameras of the Oppo F25 PRO. Let's see the front camera and its video recording. Let's check the storage. RAM memory, internal memory, memory type, card slot. Let's take a look at the battery, starting with its capacity. Charging, wireless charging, average battery life. Let's talk about the connectivity. SIM, network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, cable type, unlock option. Let's check it out, the sound of these devices. Speakers, loudspeaker, extra audio features. Finally, let's see the value. Average price, special features. So, which one will have the best results? We have that. Both are excellent choices. So, which of these smartphones do you prefer?